it's Sweetie Pie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an anti-haul. Yeah, today we're doing an anti-haul and it's palette edition because you know how much I love palettes. I love palettes. They're amazing. I have so many palettes and I love them and I love buying all of them. But lately, I've gone off palettes. The only palette I bought in the last little while was the Violet Voss Flamingo palette, which I will be reviewing next week. If you'd like to see the look I have on my eyes today, it is back a few. And I'll put it right here. Alright, let's get into this anti-haul because I am so excited. I feel like I'm in such a cool mood today. But today is the Palette Edition Anti-Haul 2018, July. Thank God all the Christmas stuff hasn't come out yet because I'm sure there will be another one of these. So yeah, guys, I have got my handy dandy phone here and I have taken screenshots of the few palettes, and I was just like, I'll be scrolling through Sephora or Trend Mood's website, and you know, I've come across quite a few that I was like, seriously? Because I'm looking for like something different now. At this point in my, you know, YouTube career, I am looking for something different. I am not looking for the same browns. I'm not looking for the same pinks. I'm not looking for the same, you know, same blah. So I really need to be like satisfied with something if I'm gonna purchase it. So anyway, let's get into this because I know you're all like wondering what the hell I'm gonna buy and what I ain't gonna buy. Let's go into this. So this is the Tarte Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust eyeshadow palette. Now, when I saw, I can't remember whose, there was a picture on Instagram. If I can find it, I will put it here. And if I can't find it, I'm sorry. But it did intrigue me a little bit. It did. This is the only palette in this whole scheme that actually threw me a little bit because I was like, ooh, that actually looks kind of pretty. Like in the Sephora picture, it just looks dull, boring, and whatever. Just another Tarte palette. But there were a few shades in there, especially like the pinky one and the gold one that looked really pretty when someone else took a picture of it. So let's just go right into this one. Seriously, Urban Decay? Nothing inspires me about that. Nothing inspires me about that, honestly. It's just like, it's the same old thing. It's the same old thing. Like, it's everywhere. And the only colors that I really were like, ooh, that's pretty, are the two colors that are on the side, the pink and the red, and then the green and blue. But they were all, like, they're all, like, shimmers. The pink and the red aren't shimmers, but, like, the green is a shimmer, the blue is a shimmer. That might be not a shimmer there. I'm not quite sure. There's, like, a dark green or a dark blue. But, like, this is the same stuff. I don't get the hype on this palette. The next one that I want to talk about is this. That is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Now, I've seen some up-close pictures of this. I've seen some YouTubers reviewing it. A lot of YouTubers reviewed it. Jackie Aina. Oh, there was somebody else. A few people have tried it on their channel. And in all honesty, again, the only things that really draw me into this palette are the red, the gray, and maybe those like blue and green colors on the corner. But most of them are, again, they're like, what am I trying to say here? They're like colors I have 1,000 times over. So you're really gonna have to impress me to have me buying some eyeshadow palettes. They definitely won't be these. So here we have the Night Drama eyeshadow palette by Bobbi Brown, and we also have the Crystal Drama by Bobbi Brown. What is like the difference besides the blue? Like, I'm flipping back and forth, and seriously, like, one's a little warmer, I guess one's a little cooler, but like, Bobbi Brown. I know that that is more of a bougie brand. I don't have, I think, maybe anything from that brand, but like they're kind of doing like the KKW here, where they put one blue shadow in the middle. Pop Effect. I will list her video down below if I don't forget. That's a girl that I actually really enjoy because she keeps me very accountable for my overspending. So the next one we have here is the Rainforest of the Sea collection by Tarte. This is volume 6? Volume 7? It's right here. And literally, if you flip back to the Tarte Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust eyeshadow palette, and then you flip back again, they're very same tones here. And I think there is only like 2 mattes, maybe 3. Yeah, I think there's maybe 3 mattes in a 2, 4, 6, 7 color palette. So, you know, like that would work for me. I could do that. I just wouldn't be able to create as many looks that way. But regardless, let's go on. All right, I love ColourPop. I love freaking ColourPop. But this is too much. It is their Soul, Mare and Soul palettes. And in all honesty, those look super boring. I like a few of the colors in there, but I think I really should be like buying single eyeshadows now because you can't, like a lot of palettes, I'm like, I have like 6 of the colors in there. That one shade though, that one's beautiful, but I've got like 6 of those other shades. So it stops me from buying them essentially. Anyway, so that's that. This is also something that I will definitely not be touching with a 10-foot pole. And it is, yeah, the NYX Cosmetics. This is their Swear By It palette. I have not had good luck with NYX shadows, really, especially in such a large palette like this. I think this is $35 American, so it's going to be up there in price for Canadians. And there's a lot of products, like, you know, NYX as a brand that I really like, but there's also a lot of products that I'm just like, didn't like that too much. This is, I think, the, oh my gosh, we're at the last one. And honestly, I have to say that if I actually saw this in store, I might actually be tempted to buy it. But as for now, I'm not going to be able to get my hands on it. And it is this. That is like the Milani, oh, I cannot remember the name of this one. I'll put it right down below. But it's just like I have all of those colors. I have freaking all of those colors. As much as I would love to try some more of Milani's eyeshadows, and if it was right in front of me, I may actually purchase it because I'd love to review it on my channel. But do I need it? Is it something that I need and want and like draw to? Hell no. So that it's just not happening. All right, guys. Well, I think that is all. That is it. I'm just looking through. I have some products that I'd like to do a video on, I think, after this. And it's all going to be about the stuff that I am dying to try from Sephora. So if you'd like a less negative video, then definitely subscribe. Stay tuned for my channel. I love you guys so freaking much. You know how much I love you. And yeah, have a really great day, night, evening, whatever. And bye!